the ultimate guide to buying, selling, or maintaining a car. Thinking about buying or selling a car? Or just tired of spending a fortune on repairs and running costs? Every year, thousands of people lose hundreds, even thousands, of pounds because they didn't know what to look for. They get hit with hidden faults, fall for scams, pay way too much, or sell their car for far less than it's worth. But it doesn't have to be that way. Introducing the ultimate guide to buying, selling, or maintaining a car and saving £1,000 plus. This is your complete step-by-step handbook, written in plain English, no confusing jargon. Inside you'll discover exactly how to spot hidden damage, outstanding finance, or clocked mileage before you pay a penny. The exact words to use to knock 10 to 15% off the asking price every single time. How to prepare your car to add £500 or more to its value in just a few hours. Simple DIY maintenance jobs that save you £200 plus every year. And the most common scams, plus exactly how to stay safe and protect your money. Plus, you get printable checklists and quick reference guides you can take with you. Stop guessing. Stop losing money. Get the knowledge that pays for itself the very first time you use it. Get your copy today and start saving right now.